In this tutorial, you will discover how to create a long horizontal line in Microsoft Word. This is a straightforward task, and there are several effective methods available, depending on whether you prefer using the keyboard or working with Word's visual tools. One method allows you to create a long line directly from the keyboard. By holding down the Shift key and pressing the underscore key repeatedly, Word generates a continuous horizontal line as you type. This option is fast and ideal when you want a simple, clean line placed directly within your text. Another method uses Microsoft Word's built-in features. By opening the Insert menu and selecting Shapes, you can choose the Straight Line tool and draw a line anywhere on the page by clicking and dragging. This gives you greater control over placement and length. An additional option is available from the Home tab, where you can click Borders and select either a top or bottom border, depending on your preference. This approach works well when you want a neatly aligned line connected to your text or paragraph formatting. Each of these methods is easy to use and effective, allowing you to choose the option that best matches your workflow while working in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.